Unlock the power of seamless financial management by connecting your NatWest bank account directly to Netsuite. This tutorial will walk you through the essential steps to integrate NatWest with Netsuite, ensuring your financial data is synchronized and your accounting processes are streamlined. First, you'll need to access your Netsuite environment. Navigate to the Setup or Administration section, where you manage your company's financial data and banking connections. Within Netsuite, look for the option to add or configure external bank connections. You'll typically find a list of supported institutions, and you'll select NatWest from this list. The next crucial step involves securely establishing the link. This will likely require you to log into your NatWest online banking portal through a secure, authenticated connection provided by Netsuite. Once authenticated, Netsuite will begin synchronizing your bank data directly from NatWest. This means your transactions, balances, and statements will be automatically updated, saving you significant manual entry time. This integration offers immense benefits for your accounting and financial management. Real-time data synchronization allows for more accurate and up-to-date financial reporting, empowering better decision-making. By automating the flow of information between NatWest and Netsuite, you're not just improving efficiency, you're enhancing security by minimizing manual data handling and reducing the risk of errors. With your NatWest account seamlessly integrated into Netsuite, you can focus more on growing your business and less on tedious reconciliation. It's time to elevate your financial operations.